Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and I've got another reduced item, an unusual item, from Morrisons Deli. 2 XL Cheese Nacho Samosas. So we've got a sort of, I don't know, it's a crossover product, isn't it? That's what I'd call it anyway. Or just weird, just plain weird. Right, yeah, yellow sticker, half price. Reduced from £2.50 to £1.25, and I've got one cold and one's been in the air fryer. So there's the cold one, cut in half. There's the air fried one, cut in half. Right. So what have we got? Pastry parcels filled with cheddar, mozzarella, and Monterey Jack cheeses with jalapenos and spices. So you've got 3 different types of cheese, jalapenos, and I've looked through the ingredients. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. I'll skip through the boring stuff, but tomato, green jalapeno chili, spring onion, coriander leaf, potato flake, red pepper flakes, turmeric, coriander, garlic, onion, paprika, chili powder, oregano leaves, bay leaf, and clove. Doesn't give any heating instructions on this. So the warm one I've put in the air fryer for, I think it was about 8 minutes. I'm still getting used to my air fryer. So some things like this I tend to do for a bit, see what they like, then do them for a bit more. That's why it's cut in half really, so I could check that it was warm right through. And as that one was cut in half, I thought I'd cut the other one in half. Just so they look the same. Right, let's try the cold one first. The smell is interesting. That's what it looks like anyway. Okay, here goes. It's very cheesy, oniony, not very spicy so far. Obviously, this is the cold one, so the pastry is quite soft, but it's still got a. Let's try the pastry on its own, just the corn a bit. Yeah, the pastry has still got a sort of samosa taste to it, whatever that is. But yeah, there's definite samosa taste to that pastry. Right, going back to the filling. That's really interesting, unusual product. As I said, very cheesy, little bit of spice coming through now, and did I say oregano? I'm sure I'm picking up oregano. Yeah, oregano. Yeah, I'm getting that. So almost a sort of a pizza flavour, sort of. It's just really interesting. Much more interesting than that Ginster's pasty I had anyway. That chili beef one, yeah, well, I won't say more about that. This is more interesting, this is better. And tastier. I like. Right, let's see what the warm one's like. Oh, look at that. Look, cheese pool. Oh, yes, that's the mozzarella, isn't it? I wasn't expecting that, because I already cut it in half. It must have sort of welded itself back together somehow. Oh, right, so when I bite this, I should get some really good cheese pool. Well, got a little bit. Oh, that is much better warm. Much better. The cheese has gone all melty. And it's lovely. That is lovely. It seems a bit more spicy as well. Whether that's the spice might have built up from the cold bun, of course, but it seems more spicy. But, oh, gooey, melty cheese in a samosa. That is lovely. That really is. The pastry's better when it's warmed up as well, because it's gone crispy. Still got that samosa taste about it. It really has. But, oh yes. If you see these, I tell you what, I'd pay full price for them. $2.50, so $1.25 each. I would pay that. And I probably will pay that at some point. Yeah. But I'll definitely air fry them. 100%. Yes. Oh, yes. I wonder how many more unusual things they do at Morrisons Deli counter that I haven't tried yet. Because I've had quite a few, haven't I? I've had some really interesting stuff from there. Yeah. 100% recommend them. But 100% say you've got to heat them up. You've got to heat them up. Much better heated. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Nacho cheese, in case you don't know what they're called, I'll tell you again. Morrisons Deli XL Nacho Cheese Samosas. Yeah, remember that. Put it on your next shopping list. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy them. I'll enjoy the warm one more than the cold one, although the cold one is still good. Let me know if you've tried these. I don't know if they're a new product. I've never seen them before. But then I don't tend to look at Morrisons Deli counter. I only tend to look at the reduced section and see if there's anything there from the deli counter. Perhaps I should look at the deli counter and see if there's anything good there. But then I might resent paying full price. But no, I wouldn't resent paying full price for them because they're great. Right, I'll stop waffling now and go and eat them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.